Welcome to the Belden Academy, and thank you for your interest in our Hirschmann SP3 training course. My name is Jeff Cody, and I'm one of the instructors here in the U.S. that you might have attending this instructor-led training course. For this 3-day hands-on course, participants will be in a professional environment and receive in-depth knowledge and hands-on practical experience about the Hirschmann Security Operating System, or HiSecOS, and the functionality of the various EAGLE Multi-Port Industrial Firewall products. This training will include topics such as basic settings, router interface configurations, router redundancy, network security, network address translation, and VPN. After the successful completion of this course, you will have the requisite knowledge to commission, operate, and maintain our Hirschmann EAGLE Multi-Port Industrial Firewall products. If you want to attend this type of training, then I encourage you to click the link below and register. For more information about the Belden Academy, please visit our website to learn more about this and other training sessions we offer. Thank you.